Hi everyone. How are you today? Today I'm going to present about 3 animals.
1. March of the Penguins. In 2003, 2 French cameramen went to Antarctica to film emperor penguins for a year. Their fantastic film is called March of the Penguins. Emperor penguins are amazing birds. They go on a very long and difficult journey every year. Hundreds of penguins get together and walk more than 100 kilometers across the ice. They walk until they find a safe place for the mothers to lay eggs. After they lay their eggs, the mothers give them to the fathers to look after. Then they walk back to the sea to find food for their new chicks. The fathers stay with the eggs. They balance the eggs carefully on their feet, because it is too cold on the ice. The fathers wait for 64 days for the eggs to hatch. They stand close together to keep warm in the snow and icy wind. The mothers come back with food after 2 months. They feed the chicks while the fathers walk to the sea and back to find food for themselves. The parents make several journeys to find food until the chicks are about 4 months old. After that, the parents leave the chicks to look after themselves and return to the sea. March of the Penguins is a very famous film. Lots of people all over the world went to watch it at the cinema. It's a documentary, but it's a wonderful story, too.
2. Ostrich. I like watching TV shows about wildlife because I love animals. Last night, I watched a documentary about ostriches. Ostriches are very big birds. They live in hot countries. The father ostriches make a hole in the sand. The mother ostriches lay their eggs in the hole. Ostrich eggs are the biggest eggs in the world. The mothers sit on the eggs in the day and the fathers sit on the eggs at night. When the eggs hatch, the fathers look after the chicks. It was a great program, but I didn't see it all. My brother changed the channel because he wanted to watch a cartoon.
3. Elephants. I once saw a documentary on TV about elephants. It was very interesting. I learned that female elephants live in families, but male elephants leave the family. The males are unfriendly, they live on their own. When a family gets very big, some of the young females make a new group. They all care for the baby elephants. Elephants are very unusual animals because they can use their noses to listen. They put their noses, or trunks, on the ground to hear sounds from a long way away. I saw this in the documentary too. They also use their trunks to make noises to communicate with other elephants.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you!